Daddy and Katalina fixing Tia's car. Hi, who's fixing the car? What are we doing, Katalina?
We're going to have a building episode.
Okay. Oh, a fixing episode.
Yeah.
And what are we taking out of here?
We're going to take
the alternator.
an alternator.
And the alternator is that piece right there. We're gonna replace it. And Katali's learning how to do this, right, Kata?
Yeah. And his name is Daddy.
And we're gonna replace this part.
Yeah.
That's called the
And
alternator.
He's going to join. He and my daddy, and he's going to fix with me.
I'm gonna fix it, right?
My car.
What are we gonna be using? What are we gonna be using first? 10mm wrench. Say it. 10mm wrench.
10mm wrench.
All right.
So guys,
we have a clamp. Yay! And we're ready to take this out.
yeah.
Right, Kata? What are we taking out? This?
Oh, put it
What-
close.
What is this, Catalina?
Put it closer.
What is this?
Oh, and my next video is going to be a fluffy build.
you're gonna sew a stuffed animal? Nice.
No,
A fluffy.
a stuffy video and the next day.
All right, tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right.
So
Let's,
here's here's all the stuff we're going to need.
the engine. Nice.
Yeah, the answer.
All right. So these are the tools we're gonna be using for the most part. Hopefully we find the right one.
Yeah,
Right, Catalina?
that's right.
Besito. Let's do this. There's Catalina. Hi, Catalina.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do it now.
And now we have the tools.
Yeah.
This is to what? To take the pulley away so we can take out the belt, right?
Yeah.
But first, safety first.
You are my biggest fans, guys.
What are we gonna do first?
We're going to do this first.
Okay, we're gonna be safe, right?
Yes.
So what do we need to do? Take out the battery
Take it out the baby.
or disconnect the battery first and most.
We got really have new batteries in here.
No, we're gonna disconnect the battery.
Yeah.
All right.
This kid smells the battery.
So we're gonna pause the video and that is gonna do that. Okay.
Guys.
We'll be right back. We took the battery out. We're safe right now. It's completely disconnected, and we're gonna proceed to take the alternator out. And how are we gonna do that? We're gonna take the screws out, 10mm. Take them out. There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And by the way, this is a Mercury Grand Marquis,
Yeah.
2000, right?
Yeah. You can put it right
Big
there.
engine. What is it? A V8 engine in this?
Yeah.
And we're gonna show you how to do it. Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah, ready?
Catalina, you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Right.
What did you find?
Coin.
You found a coin. Awesome.
It's mine on my birthday.
And we have to rig up a tool, right?
This is for my birthday.
All right, let's
It was
continue.
on my birthday.
So, what are we fixing? The car.
The car.
Tia's car.
Okay, guys.
And this
we're
is the
gonna
tool.
do it.
And this is the tool, right?
So, welcome to our video. Watch this video again.
1,000 times.
1,000 times. Like it. Press the like button or you don't.
Besito, mami. Besito.
You need crack the like button.
You need to press the like button. Oh my goodness, you're planning to put this in YouTube?
No. Everybody say press the like button.
All right, you're watching too much
Press
YouTube.
the I button.
All right. Okay, let's proceed with this. Ready? Ready? So, here, you're on video.
I got my money on the ground. You
You
see?
found your money in the ground. All right.
Right there.
You found a quarter.
I
Yay!
was inside. I'm gonna put it in the ground. Bye.
All right. So, what are we doing now?
My whistle's not done. With the slide.
So we didn't have the proper tool, so we have to rig these two, right, together.
Yes. I can put this in
The other way around,
the other way around,
like so.
like that.
And we're gonna use this to pull the tensioner away, right?
Right.
So we're gonna do that right now.
Am I going to do the out? Let's do this.
Okay, stay back.
This is my tidbit.
So I'm taking the tensioner to take the belt out.
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And like that. Get the tool from down there. You see it?
Yeah.
Alright, gonna have to edit this. Where you going?
Not anymore.
What? There you go. It's recording. Don't make that face.
Yeah.
You ready?
It's one. It's
we-
going to
now
But
we-
we can see grass.
Yeah, now we're taking the...
We can
Sit back.
we saw grass. Shelly there. Like on the map everywhere. Bye.
Okay. We got the first screw out. Right, Catalina?
Yeah.
Here we go. Look. Hey, stand up here. Don't
I
disappear.
saw a lot of bugs.
A bug? Yeah, but stay here. Be close.
What is killing?
Alright.
Wow. Look up me, buddy.
Alright, we have the second one out. So this thing has 4 screws, right, Catalina?
Yeah.
Count them. Come with me. Come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No, only 4.
6.
How many you see there? 1, 2. Here comes the third one, right?
Yeah.
It's a big, long screw. This one, well, the one in the located at the bottom of the piece, really long. And I think I need to short this one.
Yeah. It's the sun's going to bother me.
There's no sun tonight. I mean today. It's overcast.
The sun is over.
Overcast. I mean
The
sky-
Poop, guys.
we have
Wanna
overcast.
go poop, Dad?
Hey, I have to say that. Okay, go. I'll wait for you. Dale.
Please.
So we're almost done taking out the piece, right?
And this is the kids one.
Not right.
Oh, and the big one is the big one is the big one is for the adults, and the little one is for the kids.
What? What little one for the kids?
This one.
That's a big one.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Look.
Okay, so we got this part out.
I'm gonna do this one.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
Here, Catalina. So we got this part out. So
Thank you. Here's my tools I'm going to have. Can you give me that hammer?
I guess I have to use both hands for that.
Mine one hammer. Mine the hammer.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second.
Mine the hammer.
Okay, 1 second. Hold on.
Guys.
Alright, so we got that part now.
She don't buy stuff like I do for Daddy. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Look at tits it. But like this one the best look. Guys.
Okay, so we got it.
Wait.
Look, Catalina. Look, we got the piece. Look at this.
I like the way.
Alright, put that back. Put it here. Don't lose the thing. Look what we got.
We got
The alternator.
alternator.
Wow, it's heavy, right? The thing's super
Let me touch
heavy.
that.
Okay, just try to grab it.
Guys.
Oh my goodness. Watch your fingers. Look at the camera. Hi, we got it.
Got it. And now we're going to do with the alligator.
Now we're gonna get the replacement part.
That's all the tools.
Yeah, so we're gonna.
Here's my tools. What I'm going to do, and the hammer.
Alright, ready? Stop
For
in
the
the video.
hammer.
We'll be right back.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we made
yeah.
it. We made it here.
No, I'm gonna go play lava there. There's
Okay,
lava
no lava
and-
for it. So we made it here to the auto port, and we're gonna get the piece, which is sitting right there. Right? Are you ready?
City, what?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, hold on a second.
Let's go.
1 second. Wait for me first. Safety first. Daddy goes out first. All right, you waiting here. Okay? So we'll be right back.
Okay, let me hold it. Let me hold it.
What are we waiting for?
Let me hold it. Guys, let me hold it.
Okay. Yeah. Like this, okay?
Hey guys.
No, the other way around.
Guys, look last race. We're back to Daddy. We want to walk with you guys.
Okay,
Oh my
stay
God.
here, please.
Guys, we're going to do 100 but my old class is gymnastics, but we love gymnastics. So guys, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Press the like button on. The like button. Press the like button. 1, 2, 3. Press the like button. Huh?
Katalina,
Yeah. Wait.
we're ready to go and fix it? All right. Brand new alternator.
Give me it.
Give me that. Say please.
Guys, look at. Here's our new car.
This is not a new car.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
All right, let's go.
It's our new car,
Say
bro.
bye.
Bye, bros. Back.
And with, what do you call this?
We're going to show you all the stuff we got.
The alternator.
Okay. Here is our map to get our stuff.
Alternator.
Alternator.
And
Here-
instructions to follow.
Yeah. And here it is.
How to assemble the piece. So Catalina, are you learning how to be a mechanic? Oh my goodness. Step 1.
Step 1.
Be cute like Catalina.
Step 1.
Cute like Catalina,
Clap.
right?
Clap.
All right, so we're gonna assemble. We're gonna put the replacement part back into place,
Yeah.
right?
We're going to put this inside somewhere.
Well, that one no. Just put it with the rest of the tools, and now we're gonna
Where you want to
put the brand new
I'm going to put this.
alternator. All right, I'm gonna set it up, and we're gonna get back, right? Right?
Okay.
Don't lift it. It's really heavy. That's it. Leave it like that. Thank you. Okay, let's put it back.
Guys, let's get it in.
We're gonna put it in, right? And it goes right there.
Let's see what it is.
Again, an alternator. Woo-hoo-hoo. You look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah.
didn't see this before, but.
All right, we have to make way because it's about to rain.
Yeah.
All right, hold on, guys. Ready? Just hold it. Okay. Everything goes in here. Like so. Take these out.
It's ready. Oh, my God.
Well, almost ready. We're just placing it right now,
Oh, my God.
making sure that it's tight. Should go there and it should go here. Oh no, it's raining. We're gonna have to stop it now. Yeah. Okay, what are you doing? All right. So, did you film anything? You were supposed to film when I was placing the thing in, and you didn't. You filmed a quarter or something else. We need this. We need this.
Okay.
Give it to me. All right, let's go inside.
Why?